not in computer only. Acha, Shinjini, Shomojit, Orkoti, Maji, Orpon, and Sneha. Keep your camera on, otherwise I'll mark you absent.
Ma'am, will you not send the question answer of computer?
Yes, I told you to. That today at first I'll complete this one, then I'll send, huh? Acha, okay, now let me explain. Yes, today only, okay? And this is the last chapter, okay? And it will take maximum 1 or 2 days. Okay, today and Monday, totally your computer syllabus will be completed. Acha, now listen to me. Algorithm means it is related to the computer, means only in computer we can apply this one. No, basically algorithm means in our regular life also, if we connect, if we relate the word, then we can get it. Acha, suppose you are going
I get it.
Suppose you are going for the school, you will go to the school. Then for the school, you have to be prepared to go to the school. Yes, though.
Yes, ma'am. Wear dress, hair.
Okay, you have in the morning. At first, you have to wake fast. Okay, wake up. After that, you have to take your breakfast. Then you have to.
Ma'am, it means it is a schedule.
Basically, this is the steps, step by step. Suppose one job is there, we have to do. Then before that, the preparation step. Got it? Yes,
okay, ma'am, I get.
I
get it.
Now, suppose you are making a cup of tea. First, you have to boil water. Okay, then you have to put some tea, then sugar. Okay, after boiling again, you have to put some milk, and after that you will get that you are having the cup of tea. Yes, though? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that steps, one by one steps, are called algorithm. Got it or not? Is it clear to all of you? Now,
yes, ma'am, clear.
To computer. Okay. Achha, let me share the whiteboard. Wait.
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, we have to write so.
Trisha, no, this one no need to write. Just try to understand first. Okay. Achha. Okay, ma'am. Algorithm. Suppose I am giving you one example. Yes, we are going to add. We are going to suppose find the sum of. I am giving you the question. Find the sum of 16, 70, and 34. All of you got the question? Achha, no need to write. Try to understand. Okay. Now, how algorithm is related to this statement? Look, I told you to get the result, what steps we are following. Yes, Tom. So first step will be what? We have to take this number. So step 1 will be take this number. Take 16. Yes, Tom. Second step, take 17. We have to take 17. Or one thing what you can do in your book, usually it is given, let A is equal to 16. That will be much better. A. Why? Because at the time of addition, it will be more easy. Look. Second step, take in place of take B is equal to 17. And take third step, step 3. Take 3. C is equal to 34. Take or let, whatever you want. Up to this, all of you understood? Say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, fourth step, step 4. What we have to do? And we have to find the sum. So fourth step will be, let total be what? What will be the total? That means A plus B plus C. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the fifth step, step 5 is equal to, that will be we have to print the result. Print the result or print total. Got it?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yes, so these are called, this is the algorithm of this statement. Is it clear to all of you?
I have a
Yes,
question.
ma'am. So, ma'am, where we will write the answer? That means sum of 16, 17 and 32 or no need to?
This is not maths period, okay? So no need to write the answer, beta. Understood?
I also have a question.
Just try to understand.
Okay, so now clear to all of you now. Ask me if you have any. Yes, so I don't know what is going on with this recording. Oof. Acha, basically, now this one, Divyanka, clear to?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
We are assuming. This one is consideration now. We are considering this one. Let us take this one. That's why. Okay? Acha.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Acha, Trisha, you have raised your hand. Why? Any doubt is there? Acha, now? No. Okay. Acha, now just note down some points. First, write what is algorithm. Acha, put the date also and write CW. Huh? What is algorithm? This one is I, huh? Algorithm. RITHM. Achha, algorithm is a set of sequential. Basically, we know the steps of getting a result. But we have to write some statement or some word of bookish language we have to write. Okay, that's why I'm writing. And some our own. Okay. Achha. Algorithm is a set of sequential steps. Right? Algorithm. It is probably written in your book. Is a set of sequential steps to solve a logical problem. Okay? To solve a logical or mathematical problem.
Ma'am, up to this only?
Yes.
Ma'am, can we mark
It is all the things are same written in the book only, ma'am.
Same thing will be written over there, huh? But the main thing is you have understood or not. If you have understood, na, then you can easily write the statement by your own. Shamia, is it clear? Amitrajit, Ipshita?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ipshita, don't shout. Don't shout, huh? Ipshita? Have you understood? Slowly, huh? Acha, okay. Now the next one. Acha, example. Write one example, huh? Add 21, 27, 36, and 59. I think you can write it yourself. This type of question will be in subjective part, huh? Maybe I'm giving you one question.
Mama.
Ma'am, you can
that like it. A is equal to.
Hi, yes. Let A is equal to, up to this, all of you completed too. Then I'll start to solve this one.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have completed.
No, ma'am. I am writing.
Acha, okay, I am waiting, huh? Tazif, Rifa Sheikh Rifa Tamanna, Ashmita.
Hello, ma'am.
Complete fast. Shuhana.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, Anuva.
No, ma'am, not completed.
Ma'am, may I say something?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, have you completed the chapter 4 completely, means excluding the exercise?
That one, which portion I have made you write, na, something?
Yes, ma'am.
That one. But yes, I have not marked probably, no?
Ma'am, you haven't marked as well as you have not read the chapter and explained. Means you had explained the virus part, but the antivirus and what that.
Antivirus.
Yes, ma'am. You have
Antivirus, I
just
have not explained.
no, ma'am. You had just noted some points and told us to memorize. Means
Acha,
not
okay, so it
totally.
will make. Okay, don't worry, it will take maximum one, not even 1 day, huh? 15
Yes,
or
ma'am. Please
15 minutes
explain that.
maximum. Okay. At first, let me complete this chapter, then I'll explain the remaining portion, huh?
Okay,
Ma'am, can
ma'am.
we add
Probably
in the
one
basic?
page. Divyanka, you are talking about one
I'm
page,
done.
na? That one page is left, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Only one.
Okay, one page. Okay, no issue. Acha,
Ma'am,
done to? Okay. Now write step 1. Let A is equal to 21. Acha, I am just writing 2, huh? 2, 3 in this way, okay? Let B is equal to 27. I think you can do it yourself. 36, let D is equal to. Acha, at last, 59. The next one, total A plus B plus. A plus B plus. Write
Ma'am,
in one
after
line.
after 5, what you have written, ma'am? After 5?
Let. This one is arrow, okay, and let. L-E-T. Acha, write in one line, okay. Let total is equal to A plus B plus C plus D in one line. Now the last one, print total.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to add it.
No.
And ma'am, do we need to write all the letters in capital letter? In book, all the letters are written in capital letter, ma'am.
Hi, yes, say beta. In book.
Ma'am, in book, see all the letters are written in capital letter. Means
Acha, basically, in case of algorithm or flowchart, usually we use capital letter, okay? Normally, Divyanka, let me say, basically this is a mathematical problem too. So that's why in capital letter, okay? But usually suppose for making a cup of tea, okay? In that case, you can check that one will not be in capital, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood too?
Only in computer language, capital.
Acha, okay. Now, write, just give heading flowchart. Flowchart. Acha, algorithm in your book, basically what I have written, if you learn this one, then page number 40 and 42. Sorry, 40 and 41 before flowchart. Up to that, you can easily understand, huh? Then also I'll mark it, don't worry. Now give heading flowchart.
Ma'am.
Yes, same.
Ma'am, some algorithm examples are given on the book. Ma'am, these
Examples are given.
Exam.
Acha, in example, yes. In example 1, what is given? Divyanka or any other student say?
Ma'am, write an algorithm.
Write an ingredient to make a cup of tea. Number
Acha,
1,
to make a
heat up the pot.
No need to read that one. I am telling you the algorithm, just see whether you have understood or not. Okay, Acha, just let me erase this flowchart. Okay, now
Okay, ma'am.
cup of tea. First, we have to take a pot where we will make this tea. Okay, so step 1, take a pot. Got it? Yes, Tom. The second one, you have to take some water. Okay. The third step will be put some tea and sugar in it. Then you have to boil it. Fourth step will be boil it. Fifth one will be, we have to mix some, in that boiled water, we have to mix some milk. Okay. And the sixth step will be, at last, it is ready to drink. Is it clear? Yes or no? So if you know the basic rule, then you can apply your common sense and you can easily write the algorithm. Yes or no? Now, if you want to write the bookish language, so look, what I have explained right now, maybe all the things are same, but maybe when I told you take, in place of take, it is given put. Yes or no? Ultimately, the thing have you understood too? Yes, say.
I can understand anything.
The book examples will come or not, ma'am?
Yes, say again.
Book examples, ma'am.
Book examples. May come. Yes, if you know the algorithm, then anything from the outside, okay, from the book. But don't worry, I'll say some important part, okay. Suppose I am telling you this addition right now I have done now. This type of addition is very much important, okay. Then that cup of how to make a cup of tea. Mathematical problem is very much important. Yes. Okay. In maths also as well as computer.
And ma'am, I'm telling that ma'am, that algorithm of flowchart making, ma'am, it will come from book only, or it can come from outside also.
Acha, if it is coming from outside, then only too much easy, huh? Suppose add this following, find the product of this one, okay?
No, ma'am, and the flowchart, ma'am, flowchart will be that hardest one.
Flowchart is very much easy. Just let me explain, then flowchart will be very much easy. Look. Acha, in algorithm, do you have any doubt? Say.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Algorithm is very easy.
Acha, now flowchart. Give heading. Basically, flowchart means that one thing you should remember, graphical representation. The word is very much related to flowchart. That is graphical representation. Okay. It is a, just write, it is a graphical representation of a program. It is also, I think, written in your book. Achha, okay, now look at this. Shamia, Shidatri?
Ma'am, this is definition.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Okay. Now, one more thing you have to remember, in case of flowchart, why it is graphical representation? Okay. Achha, usually in algorithm, we are using the language na? By applying English language, we are writing the statement. Yes, to? Junaid? Ashmita, Debolin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But
yes,
in case of,
yes, ma'am. Normal language. Hello, ma'am.
In case of flowchart, we are using the notations, the symbols. We are not using normal language.
And boxes and arrows.
Okay, just write some symbols.
Ma'am, boxes and arrows or circles.
Exactly. That notation symbols, I'll say you, don't worry.
To show that this step be first, then that step that
Start or stop box, input output box, processing box.
Okay, now, it is in your book. Now you are telling that are in your book, to Trisha. Now,
yes,
what type of symbols or notations usually use? Achha, Shomojit, what happened? Achha, okay, look at this. Achha, look. Now, symbols or notation, okay? One is oval shape, another is rectangular. Okay.
Ma'am, it is quadrilateral. Ma'am, it is that shape like this.
It is
Ma'am.
quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means it is a bounded figure with 4 sides. Huh? But in the quadrilateral, I specified a thing that is rectangle. It is parallelogram. Okay. And this one is a diamond shape. Or you can say rhombus.
Rhombus.
Okay.
Yes.
Rhombus. Okay. Basically, we use these 4 types of notations.
And
Okay, now.
And the connector and direction arrows and flows.
Yes, I'll say. Wait. Closed circle, that one, that a circle, that one is connector. Okay, now look at this. This oval shape, usually at the time of starting or at the time of ending. When you will stop, at the beginning and at the ending. Okay, we use usually. This rectangle is the processing box. Suppose we are doing, we are making an addition. Okay, then the process, all the processing, okay, it is denoted by this rectangular box. Okay, so what is for this one? Parallelogram. For input or output? For input or output. Suppose in your book also you can see the example, but first listen to me. We are giving we are posting a letter. Okay, I think in a post box, it is in your book, I think. Yes, suppose we are sending a letter, we have to drop a letter, okay, in post office. So before that, what is the input part? We have to, after writing the letter, we have to keep the letter in an envelope, na? Yes or no?
Letter in envelope. Yes, ma'am.
So we are inserting.
Yes, ma'am.
In that, when that step will come, then that will be parallelogram. Got it though?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Acha. Now suppose we are writing on the top of the envelope the address. We are attaching the stamp. Yes though? The stamp paper is there from a post office. We have to collect it. That will be processing. Exactly. That is the continuing. It is continuing the procedure. So the difference is clear to these two. And at last, this one means.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This one after dropping the letter in the drop box. That one is we have to stop over there.
Stop.
Okay. The last step.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Ma'am, in our last step, there is going.
Oh, acha, sorry. This one is decision. Okay. That one again I told you na. Yes. Start and end. Again at the end, basically we have to use this notation. We have to stop over there after dropping. Got it though? This one is clear though? Acha, now decision. What is about this? Wait. Let me at first explain about all the symbols. What is this one? Decision. Suppose we are adding or we are saying one statement is true or false. Okay. Acha, 27 is even number. Suppose I am giving you the question. 27 is even number. We have to draw the flowchart for this. Now, in this case, it is we have to mention true or false. Here, at last, you have to make a decision now whether it is true or false. Yes, though.
Yes, ma'am.
Decision making means understood. So, suppose I have asked you one question. Find the sum of 21, 22, 23. That is not decision making question. We have to just add them and we will get one result, unique result. Yes, though. But in case of this one, you have to make the decision whether it will be true or false. Yes.
So what will we write in that decision box? What will we write?
In that decision box, suppose we are getting after the processing box, after the processing box, there will be one decision making box. Suppose after processing, after calculating, we will get one thing too. Look at this. I am explaining for this one. 27 is even number.
Yes, ma'am. Write the steps.
Okay, this is true or false?
First start.
Okay, first we have to say
Start.
False, ma'am. False,
start.
ma'am.
No, I'm asking the steps.
Ah, yes.
Start.
Then read first number. Sorry.
So now read the
Number.
Ma'am,
statement.
it
No,
will be a
actually,
coordinator
yes.
box, input and output box, ma'am.
Okay,
Input and output box.
input or
If-
output box. Yes, Tom.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That is 27 is even. Read the statement means what? 27 is even. Okay, read it.
to write.
After that, acha, you have to use that arrow sign. You told me about that arrow. Na?
Yeah.
No. Just try to understand. Huh? First, what is given? Read it. Okay. Now, second one also. Acha, you can use here two statement. Huh? Read the number 27. Read the number I am writing. Huh? Read the number. That is 27.
Decision box.
Then then it is even or odd. Yes, so that one will be the decision making. Before that,
No, ma'am. It is a decision, I think.
decision to it will be even or odd. Okay, so that means for decision making we will apply this parallelogram sign or rectangle sign. Which one? Or
Ma'am, diamond or rhombus.
Ma'am,
diamond shape. Diamond.
that means when we will make this decision, acha, the processing is the last digit unit place is 7, so it is not even, it will be odd. Yes, to Debolin. So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
by this
ma'am.
only,
Not
so by this only we can get. So the next step will be this one, na? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
After solving this, ma'am, can you give me that marriage party flow chart, ma'am? Because I can't do it.
Yes, say again.
Ma'am, after solving this flow chart, ma'am, can you give me write the marriage part, going to a marriage party flow chart, ma'am?
Trisha, your voice is not coming properly, beta. Say, repeat your words.
Ma'am, I am telling that after completing this flow chart, can you write a flow chart going to a marriage party, ma'am? Because I can
Yes.
understand the number like.
Yes, definitely, beta. Definitely. Okay.
Accordingly,
So, okay. Now it is okay. Now it is okay.
yes, ma'am. Yes, okay. Now it is okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is okay.
It is true.
Please take note.
False.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Here is written
yes,
box.
same.
If
ma'am.
if
Can I-
27 is an even number or not, or no, sorry, if 27 is a prime
So
number.
suppose the next one I am giving you. The next one I am giving you. Take 12 and 17. The question is 12 greater than, is 12?
Yes, ma'am.
17.
Yes, ma'am.
Out of
First number,
start.
start.
Read the first number.
Then read the
Acha, read the
second
number
number.
first means it will be parallelogram. Huh? Read
Yes.
the second number. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Then you have to check. Now. Okay. Yes. The decision making.
Decision box.
If it is yes, then stop. Suppose it is no, then also just write no, then stop. Got it? For yes, the first number is greater. For no, the second one is greater. Got it? Acha, don't worry. This one, how many flowchart you will learn for the exam, okay? On Monday, I'll just give you one PDF, okay?
Ma'am,
Which one you have to learn?
Going to marriage party, ma'am, we understand the number like flow chart, but ma'am, I can't understand.
Marriage party or birthday party in this way, to?
Ma'am. Can you write?
But ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, see. Shamia,
Ma'am,
why have you?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have understand all this, but ma'am, what is the work of the connector?
Huh?
Ma'am, the circle.
Your voice.
And
Yes,
Samia
same.
is telling that work of the connector.
So maybe due to network issue, na, sometimes the recording getting paused, huh?
Ma'am,
I don't know what is going on. No need to write. Then circle the number which are greater than suppose 6,123. Now some options are given. One is given this one. Another is given this one. Okay, and the last one is given 6023. Acha, now look at this. Here, two answers are there which greater than this, na? We are getting two answers here, yes or no? So basically,
Yes,
these
ma'am.
two answers are related. The same for the same question, we are getting two. And Trisha, you are that problem. Wait. Trisha, that problem.
Ma'am, which problem?
You told me na that.
Ma'am, eco.
Yes, ma'am, Eco is coming.
Marriage party or birthday party, you told me na.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that one
Ma'am,
I'll
from
explain
Amrita
again on
ji.
Monday. Okay.
Ma'am, in weekly test, which chapters will come? Weekly test?
This one and fourth chapter, virus, antivirus, and algorithm, not flowchart. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. And
Acha,
Okay, ma'am.
flowchart definition will be there.
Study material, sir.
Yes, and that but flowchart, the definition will be there. Okay. Suppose it is a graphical representation and the symbols we are using. Only up to which part I have completed. Okay. Okay, all of